affordable and accessible house and lot? Kasi pagod ka nang mag-commute ng almost 2 hours para lang makapunta ng work, ng school, or sa pinakamalapit na mall. Yung tipong, papasok ka pa lang, amoy pauwi ka na. Well, we hear you, kabarangay. Samahan niyo ako as I present to you our soon-to-open project in Bulacan, Lumina Residences. Our soon-to-open project, Lumina Residences, is located at Barangay Rueda, Plaridel, Bulacan, and Barangay Bugyon, Kalumpit, Bulacan. Yes, you heard it right. Dalawang municipality ang nakakasakop nito, kaya rin siya tinawag na Lumina Residences. Ang main entrance natin will be just 4 kilometers from Vista Mall, Malolos, Bulacan, and 700 meters from Phase 10, Camellia Provence or Camellia Malolos, Spine Road. Para makapasok tayo sa mismong subdivision, pwede tayong sumakay ng shuttle service na soon to be provided by Lumina from Vista Mall hanggang sa ating subdivision. Some might have the impression na ang Lumina Residences ay located sa capital ng Bulacan, which is Malolos, due to its main entrance. Pero as mentioned, it is located at Barangay Rueda, Plaridel, Bulacan, and Barangay Bugyon, Kalumpit, Bulacan. Kung accessibility lang naman ang hanap mo, ito na ang subdivision for you. Lumina Residences is 40.3 kilometers or 39 minutes away from North EDSA via Tabang Exit. Kung ikaw ay magko-commute from North EDSA, pwede kang sumakay ng bus na biyaheng Hagonoy, Malolos, Kalumpit, or Pampanga. Ang baba mo na nito ay sa harap mismo ng Vista Mall, Malolos. Ang pamasahe ay 60 pesos only. Malapit din ito sa pangangailangan mo, kabarangay. Tulad na lang ng mga schools na napakalapit mula sa Vista Mall, Malolos, which is ang landmark natin papuntang site. Unahin na natin ang Centro Escolar University na 750 meters away or 1 minute away lang mula sa Vista Mall. Next naman ang Bulacan State University na 3 kilometers or 6 minutes away lang mula sa Vista Mall. Then next, ang La Consolacion University Philippines, 4.1 kilometer or 7 minutes away lang mula sa Vista Mall din. At marami pang elementary, high school, and colleges within Malolos City. Bukod sa schools, accessible din ito sa mga commercial establishments within Malolos City. Unahin na natin ang Vista Mall Malolos na nasa harap lamang ng ating subdivision. Next naman, ang Centro Mall ng 2.9 kilometer or 5 minutes away lang. Then next, ang Graceland Mall at ang Eco Commercial Complex, ito ay 3 kilometers or 6 minutes away lang. Then ang Robinson's Place Malolos, ito naman ay 4.4 kilometer or 7 minutes away. At marami pang grocery stores like Shopwise, Gergold, at South Supermarket. Pati hospitals and terminals going to Pampanga and Manila, isang jeep lang din mula Vista Mall, Malolos. Oops! Hindi lang yan! Malolos City will have the soon-to-operate 38-kilometer railway that would link to Tuban in Manila to Malolos, Bulacan. Wow! Isn't that amazing? So ngayon, kabarangay, alam niyo na ba ang pumunta ng Lumina Residences? Wow! Sumagot! Great! Alamin naman natin ngayon ang mga home models na i-offer ni Lumina Residences. Ikaw ay single at mag-uumpisa pa lang ng pamilya, ito ang swak for you. A-Mira House. May floor area na 22 square meters with a minimum lot area na 36 square meters. Kung gusto mo naman is modern living loft type, ito ang the best for you, which is si Alea Loft. Si Alea Loft ay may 32 square meters na floor area with a minimum lot area na 36 square meters din. Kung ikaw ay may pamilya at may kotse, fit na fit ito sa iyong pamumuhay. Si Adriana Townhouse. Ito ay may 44 square meters floor area with a minimum lot area na 36 square meters. The subdivision will also offer 24/7 security, basketball court, and a playground to complete the community. Located at strategic location, affordable and promising, this is Lumina Residences. Kabarangay, your future is with us. Kaya lipat na sa Lumina Homes.